Introducing a fully loaded flagship. This is the DJI Agras T100. With a maximum payload of 100 kilograms and a single-axis thrust of 82 kilograms, the T100 features a coaxial dual rotor configuration and 62-inch carbon fiber propellers, delivering extremely powerful and robust performance. The T100 delivers unparalleled spraying power with a 100-kilogram payload and dual sprinklers capable of a maximum flow rate of 30 liters per minute. For orchard and high-volume applications, switch to 4 water-cooled mist spray sprinklers to increase the flow rate to 40 liters per minute. The dual-motor water-cooled structure is durable. Mist droplets as fine as 50 microns enhance liquid penetration and ensures comprehensive spraying coverage. The T100 supports quick swapping to its spreading system. With a spreading payload of 100 kilograms, the new generation screw feeder delivers a flow rate of up to 400 kilograms per minute. With support for high-speed spreading at 20 meters per second, it boosts overall operational efficiency by 66%. Equipped with a high-torque screw feeder motor, it ensures smoother and more seamless spreading operations. Various screw feeder types are available to suit every granulars for more precise spreading. The 150-liter spreading tank is perfect for loading more lightweight granulars like grass seeds. With a lifting capacity of 100 kilograms, T100 can transform into a transport solution. The lifting system supports single battery and dual batteries versions. A triaxial force sensor stabilizes cargo mid-flight, smartly eliminating swing for steady transportation